Video, okay. There we go. I didn't know what I was doing. Sorry, Michael. Let me see if I can get a picture of it. It's way over there, though. See, oh yeah, there. I can see it now. See, there it is.
It's coming down.
That mountain over there, Michael really likes that mountain. And we can barely even see it because it's raining like crazy.
Over there?
See? I know I'm moving it on a lot. I'm sorry. There we go. See it? There we go. We're on our front porch right now. So, that's pretty cool. All right. We're getting some pretty good rain here. Pretty good rain. Wow, this is pretty cool. Oh, this is awesome. Wish you guys could come and visit us now. That'd be so cool. Okay, now I don't know what I'm doing, so. Okay, now you see it.